Hey guys, welcome back. Carter with BitsBeTrippin. We're going to get right into this one. We just got back from having our first event down at our offices in downtown St. Louis. You guys seen, maybe some of you guys seen the live stream from that yesterday. I mean, it was our first one. We have obviously a few things to fix with it. Some of the audio was down and stuff, but I think it was a good event. We had close to 100, a little over 100 people with some of the plus ones that they brought, and had a good time covering a rig build. We also broke down an S19J Pro in front of everybody, and then took a lot of fielded questions. And as we get into doing more of these, we're looking at another one in February. We'll make sure you guys have more of an advanced notice for you guys could also participate if you wanted to make your way to St. Louis for these. And we'll look at maybe doing some at other cities and events if there is enough interest. But before that, let's go to today's sponsor, and then we'll get into this. Watom. Today's sponsor is Watom, a trusted equipment managed service provider in the Bitcoin mining space. Watom offers a full line of equipment ranging from top ASIC miners to deployable custom mining containers and transformers. For small, medium, and large-scale operation, Watom does not just sell miners. It's a one-stop crypto mining solutions provider that offers a full on-site hosting plan, including setup and installation of your rigs at one of their hosting facilities. This is 24/7 monitoring, maintenance, diagnostics, and repair services, all performed by their staff. With over 3 years of experience and more than 70 megawatts across 8 mining facilities around the globe, including 5 facilities in the US, Watom has the ability to meet and exceed all of your crypto mining needs. Watom is a trusted and reliable partner that will accompany you on your crypto mining journey from start to finish. Head over to watom.io/BitsBeTrippin to learn more. All right, so now we're back. Let's kind of quickly go over what went down yesterday for folks that weren't able to check the live stream. And what are we trying to accomplish with this new space and office that we have with this kind of cool common area that has a bar in it, and then just allows some folks to be able to come and talk crypto with everybody. So we been wanting to put on this for a little bit. We work with Crypto World, as a co-owner of Crypto World, which is a retail location in St. Charles, Missouri. We want to try to bring some of the community together when it comes to like the GPU mining scene, and even some of these ASICs, as we have an S19 Pro J here in front of us, or J Pro in front of us here. We wanted to be able to do a live audience kind of interactive thing. And Crypto World's space is pretty small. We can only host about 30 people there comfortably. So our office is in downtown. We wanted to make sure that we could have an event, that we could have some folks out, have some food and drink, all provided. The events there are free. We just take sponsors to help us pay for some of the food and stuff, but it keeps the event free for you guys out there. And right now we're limited to only 100 people per event. Hopefully in February we can ramp that up. That room and area holds about 300 people, and we'll see if we can get another large event like that. I want to bring other speakers, other folks to be able to provide you guys some good content, maybe even creators. If any creators watching this, reach out to me if you want to coordinate us with a time, and we can have maybe a collabed event at our space. So I want to reach out to a lot of the other crypto folks there, Son of Tech, Red Fox Crypto, Red Panda, Vosk, everybody that's in this space from a creator standpoint. If you guys wanted to see those folks live and be able to ask questions and that sort of thing, we can figure out maybe a build off or something cool like that for it. We'd also like to do some giveaways when we're out there at the event. We did bring some gear there. Some folks weren't happy with some of the prices there. We have a few of those 3080s left, the non-LHR ones. They are a little expensive. We did pay a little more for those initially anyways, but we got the full markup price on those, but we were trying to make some of them available from an inventory standpoint for folks. We have a lot of other equipment coming in that's down at Crypto World. We'll be there Tuesday in the morning for coffee and crypto, which happens every Tuesday at Crypto World out in St. Charles. But we'll have some stuff there, and then coming into Tuesday evening, we are going to have a live stream where yours truly is going to dress up as Santa, and we're going to do some giveaways on that also. So one of the cool things about having this channel, not like hugely known as the few folks that do find this channel and participate in that. It keeps down, it improves your chances, because I think our live streams pull about 100 people or so. So you might have 1 in 100 chance to win a couple different things. So make sure you're tuning in for that on Tuesday evening. So this video today is kind of just a recap of kind of what that event was, and the TLDR for the folks that are not going to watch an hour plus live stream. But we wanted to make sure that we were showing some of the folks live how to build a mining rig and some of the things to consider whenever you're first diving into this. So if you get lost on the internet and you find one of our videos, how do you go about building a mining rig? Now, going in and future next steps here with what we're going to be doing with that space, not only are just doing other events and such, we are looking at a larger conference this year, our 2022 rather, of doing a mining based focus conference. Part of our rationale of going to CES is to work with some of the folks that are there, if that's NVIDIA, AMD, and Intel on the GPU mining side, to see if we can work with them or the third-party AIBs to help come to one of the events that we were wanting to sponsor. So I'm going to be going there with an agenda to talk to these folks and see if we can solicit some support when it comes to engineers or folks that are around crypto mining in general with these companies, and they could come and talk at some of these events. I think 2 years ago when I actually had an interview with Jensen, he wanted to avoid the conversation and didn't want to talk about anything crypto, but it is very apparent that they're very, they're building for crypto. The CMP lines are coming from NVIDIA directly that went out to HUD 8. They should have a representative this year at CES, and we'll try to get in touch with them. But I wanted to give you guys a quick just overview of that event. Make sure you're liking and subscribing. Follow us on Twitter. Share this stuff on Twitter, as we're going to have more events for people to be able to attend, not just in St. Louis. And again, I know a lot of folks are looking for inventory that we're putting out on Crypto World. I'm hoping to have that to where we can have at least some inventory on the Shopify for Crypto World as early as next week, even if we just put it up there and then see if it ends up getting network saturated from you guys clicking a million times trying to buy stuff. But we're going to get some inventory out there for you guys. Again, we're trying to hit 100K. I don't think we're going to be able to do it before the end of the year, which was our goal, but it's okay. Crypto's kind of cooling off a little, so not a lot of folks are clicking on videos. But for the few that have got this, you guys may get lucky with some of the giveaways. So I'll catch you guys on the next one. We'll have another one tomorrow. Peace.